Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I'm able to use the serial plotter through the platform, through my Arduino platform. Now I'm going to do that by using the microphone sound sensor as to display values on the serial plotter. Now I'm going to do this using a video I was previously making on how my serial plotter works with the microphone sensor. So I was explaining how the microphone sensor worked, but since the video was so long, I had to cut it in half, and now I'm actually using the second half to make this video, so you'll see me explaining it according to that effect. But I will include a short clip before that one, just quickly explaining how to use the serial plotter on a sketch. So let's see that video, and then I'll move on to the example with the microphone sound sensor. Okay, so this is how the serial plotter works. Now I am printing out the values over here on these 4 lines. Just let me show that serial again. On these 4 lines, to print a value to the serial plotter, you have to use the serial print command. Now when you use it, you have to only put the ln character, the end line character, at the end of the values that you want represented. As you can see over here, I have 2 values showing on, which are the mic count and the mic max. I separate them by using the comma, which is this line right over here. And so this is the plotter function menu that you've seen before on other previous videos, and this section you can prepare it to present any values that you want, but this time I have it presenting the values of the microphone intensity output. Well, not output, but reading, let's say it that way. And so let's open up the serial plotter. Okay, and you already see the blue line belongs to the mic count, which is the immediate, the screen goes away, which is the immediate count of times that the digital output sensor was activated. And the red line is the maximum. And what I've noticed is that the microphone sensor does not react as much with loudness of the sound, but to the tone of the sound. So as you see, I'm speaking kind of loud, and the maximum only reaches about 425. But if I whistle, you'll see the values reach much higher. Now here you go. As you see, and I didn't even whistle that loud. I guess it's how the sensor works. But yeah, here's a plotter. And another thing you can see is I can reset the value to 0.2 here, as you can see, the value of the maximum. And as you can see, as I speak, you can see the value, the blue graph changing. So in this episode, I showed you how I use the serial plotter on my Arduino platform. I hope you enjoyed, and there's still a lot to cover on this platform. I've covered about almost half, maybe half maximum of what is done so far. But obviously, from what you've seen up until now, I can add as many sensors or different applications as long as the Arduino has enough pins to accept those extra hardware. So Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on our next episode.